All right, we're getting ready to fiddle around with the RC car here. So we need some smaller bits. So this KATERK set is an expansive set of bits. Look at this. Every Phillips head and Torx you could ever think of. Tamper-proof bits. Look at this. Hex bits, Y bits, triangle bits. I haven't even seen any of these bits in my life. There's the holder. Demagnetizer, magnetizer. All these things are magnetic in here. Goes right in there. Swivel on the back so you can like put pressure on it with one hand. And still spin. Tons of canoodling, really good grip on this thing. So yeah, all these little Torxy bits on this thing just always need to be fiddled with. Yeah, see, we've got a bunch of these little Torx bits on here. And you've always got to loosen them up and tighten them up. And this just so happens to have every size Torx bit in the world on it. I like this, some good grip here. So yeah, we can just get right in here and do some adjusting. So that's great. So holding onto the top while moving the body. That's really nice. I like that these are all in here with magnets. They're in there very securely. Really easy to tell where you got what you got. That pops back in there. It's even got some of these. I think these are like some kind of like security bit. I've never even used one of those before. Triangle bit. I mean, every kind of security bit you could ever think of, plus all the regular small electronic stuff. And yeah, like I said, good little carrying case. Pretty tough. Just put that in your pocket. So yeah, overall, really happy with this this bit set here.